The success of a company depends increasingly upon a timely response to fast-changing market conditions. The cost incurred by a company to satisfy customers' needs is a benchmark of its ability to be competitive. Customers' needs are generally expressed as quality standards to be met and output volumes to be achieved. For flexible packaging printers and converters, this translates into the need of having the tools or the means to supply a high-quality end product in such quantity as the market requires at competitive production costs. Schiavi has always given careful ear to the market and focused on its clients' needs. This has led to the engineering of a new line of CI flexographic printing presses, spearheaded by the Omega model. The new generation of Schiavi digital vector drive flexo presses provides a universal answer to the sometimes conflicting requirements of flexo printers. The machine offers the highest print quality ever achieved by flexo technology, a print quality which is maintained and repeated over time. It features speeds that are unattainable with conventional flexo presses, as well as top reliability, guaranteeing customers high profit margins and the fastest return on their investment. The new developments are the outcome of the synergy between the companies of the Bobst Group. Thanks to their long-standing experience in packaging, printing and converting, the Bobst Group companies are able to supply leading-edge equipment anywhere in the world. The production is supported by a worldwide after-sales network that can intervene locally and deal timely and efficiently with any requests, adding value to the converter's production. Let's now look at the configuration of the machine and let's examine its main features in more detail. Unwinders and rewinders have been conceived to be built as if they were one single operating module. The mirror-like configuration that can be seen clearly in the ReelStand mainframe, in the reel clamping system, and in the electronic management of press operation is very advantageous for a number of reasons. In the first place, it guarantees the optimum web path from in-feed to the end of the printing process, with resulting reduction of production waste. It also allows for the use of interchangeable reel shafts. Furthermore, it makes for better machine performance and efficiency, as well as improved quality of the end product via a software which is able to match ReelStand operation to the specificity of the substrate used and to synchronize reel splicing to the best advantage of a considerable cut in the product waste. The web in-feed section has been designed to provide for the shortest web path length from the unwinder to the printing group under all working conditions. As there are no insignificant details in a printing press design, our engineers have worked to very stringent specifications for every machine component, such as web path rollers whose perfect balancing combined with anti-friction bearings ensure very low inertia to prevent the deformation of extensible films. All the bearing housings are produced in-house on high-precision machine tools to avoid side movements of the web, hence off-register printing, even at the highest speeds. Notwithstanding the machine overall compactness and reduced length, the design provides for trouble-free installation of ancillary components, such as coroner treaters, web guiders, banana rollers, and anti-static bars, making this gearless press easily adaptable to any requirement. Printing Group is the outcome of years of research and testing carried out in concert by Schiavi engineers and Bobst Group specialists. Their main objective was to devise the best uncompromising solution for every aspect related to the printing group, which is the fundamental element of a flexographic press, following some specific guidelines. Printing at very high speed, mechanical speed up to 450 meters per minute, without vibrations or deflections which would affect print quality. Avoid solvent emissions in the working environment whilst maximizing drying efficiency. Reduce as much as possible the overall dimension of the printing section, so as to allow one operator to keep all production processes stages under control. The design of the printing deck is highly innovative. It offers maximum stability during operation and dampens any resonance even at high speed. Every printing deck has been designed to make use of the sleeve technology for both the plate cylinder and the Anilox roller that provides for the shortest changeover times. The system of cylinder clamping is of the grip type. It is managed by a fully automatic pneumatic piston that is controlled by the operator via the palm-top keyboard. No manual operation is needed for opening and closing the clamps, and there is no need to use tools or to intervene on any machine part, such as bearings or bushes. The sleeve change operation is managed by the PLC from beginning to end. The newly designed Dr. Blade Group has been developed for maximum cost effectiveness. The new inner design affords the possibility of printing at top speed with a minimum volume of ink in recirculation, a prerequisite for short production runs. Another software feature of this new machine family allows the operator to automatically set the curbs of variation of the printing pressure, matching the position of the cylinders and of the Dr. blade and changing the printing pressure according to the rack in operation that has been set. This avoids printing quality inconsistencies at speed variations. The replacement of the components that are subject to wear and tear, e.g. the blades and the side seals, is fast and easy and can be performed on board. The blades are kept in their working position by means of a pneumatic chamber, which not only makes changeover faster, but also allows for the blades to operate in a level position that prevents the occurrence of shading or, worse still, of colour stains that would affect the quality of the end product. The side seals are locked into position by a lever system that allows for fast replacement, just a matter of seconds, effortlessly and without tools. The machine is run by a dedicated software that manages the press operation and the synchronization of the different motors. The solutions adopted afford maximum machine efficiency and the immediate location and identification of any faults or malfunctioning. This is very important for machines that feature a high degree of electronic components. The transmission of signals is carried out via Profibus optical fibre system. This technology ensures a very high-speed data exchange and the avoidance of problems arising from electromagnetic disturbances. The press management control system allows the operator to carry out machine diagnostics for the main components and to locate any malfunctioning, to set all the operating parameters, to check the machine while in production, and to manage job orders and report printing, if so required. The ventilation system has been completely redesigned to achieve a number of objectives, namely minimum solvent residues at maximum speed, maximum compactness so that the press can be easily run by one operator, minimization of the variable costs linked to energy consumption, maximum versatility to provide for the physical characteristics of different extensible materials and the different amounts of ink applied on each printing deck. The cooling group is located at the exit of the drying tunnel. It consists of two chilling calendars, driven by their own AC motor, whose main function consists in nullifying the heat increase undergone by the web passing through the drying tunnel and avoid any variation of web tension at high speed. The web inspection group is usually mounted on the back upright. It consists of a video camera that can also serve as a quality control system. The frame is pre-arranged to house all types of video cameras available on the market, with the possibility of inspection on both sides of the web. The camera can be interlocked with the automatic register presetting system, allowing for a fast positioning of the plate cylinders with reduced production waste, especially in the case of first orders. One of the main factors in keeping a competitive edge in the market is the increase of production efficiency linked to augmented productivity against print runs that are getting shorter and shorter. This is why a fully automatic washing system able to solve all problems relating to deck cleaning and ink changeovers is a must. The solution developed by Schiavi allows the replacement of all manual operations, such as the drainage of used inks, the washing of inking components, and new ink make-ready by a fully automatic system. The washing process, which is programmable and is preset via a dedicated software interfaced with the press management system, cuts to the minimum the time required for these operations and the quantity of solvent required. This gearless printing press is a powerful production tool designed for converters who do not stand for compromise. To be able to operate profitably in the flexible packaging market, and most particularly in the food packaging sector, it is imperative to be equipped with top efficiency machinery, featuring high production capacity and delivering much higher printing quality results. This gearless press model is the quintessence of today's market requirements and expectations. Excellence without compromise. To fulfill this goal, Schiavi Engineering Department, with the support of Bobst Group organisation, strove and succeeded in achieving guaranteed efficiency and in setting up a service structure which is vital for a successful business partnership with clients. Wide-ranging services via our worldwide sales and service network able to intervene timely and effectively, locally adapting technical support to meet varying needs relating to service, spare parts supply, or specific adaptations and teleassistance are just some of the services we wish to highlight as our commitment to a total customer support policy. As partners, we offer a multidisciplinary service and a constant scientific update for an ongoing user-manufacturer cooperation aimed at discussing and improving optimum operation and profitability of your Schiavi equipment, adding value to your production, increasing your returns, and sharpening your competitive edge. We trust that together we will keep on improving and shaping a successful future.